In 1963, the U.S. Supreme Court unanimously ruled in Gideon v. Wainwright that the Sixth Amendment's guarantee of counsel applied to state courts, requiring them to provide lawyers to criminal defendants who could not afford their own attorneys. The case began when Clarence Earl Gideon, a poor drifter, was arrested in Florida for breaking into a pool hall and stealing money from a vending machine. At his trial, Gideon requested a court-appointed lawyer, but the judge denied his request, citing a Florida law that only provided free counsel in capital cases. Gideon was forced to represent himself and was convicted and sentenced to 5 years in prison. From his jail cell, Gideon handwrote a petition to the Supreme Court, arguing that the Sixth Amendment's guarantee of counsel should apply to the states through the 14th Amendment. In a landmark 9-0 decision, the Supreme Court agreed with Gideon. The court ruled that the right to counsel was a fundamental right essential to a fair trial, and that the Sixth Amendment required states to provide lawyers to defendants who could not afford their own. The ruling overturned Betts v. Brady, a 1942 decision that had limited the right to counsel. Gideon was retried with the help of a court-appointed lawyer and was acquitted. The Gideon decision paved the way for the expansion of legal rights for the poor and led to the creation of public defender systems across the country. It remains one of the most important Supreme Court cases in American legal history.